Let's get ourselves connected. Gotta get yourself connected.
I'm here at the Digitech manufacturing plant to find out how you can go green with renewable toner cartridges. Let's go inside and check it out. I'm here with Dave McConachie, the owner of Digitech, to learn more about renewable cartridges. How are you?
Good, thanks, Lindsay.
Thanks for letting us come down today
Not a problem.
to check out the facility. So tell me a little bit more about renewable cartridges and why they're impacting the environment, why it's so important right now.
Well, the biggest component of our printer cartridge is plastic. Okay? And plastics account for about 8% of the weight of a landfill, plus about 30% of the volume.
Wow.
So even keeping one or two cartridges out of that landfill makes a big impact on our environment.
And I understand that it's not just impacting Canada's environment, but it has global ramifications.
Absolutely. There is a lot of evidence that shows that a lot of our e-waste is simply being shipped offshore to other countries such as India or China.
That's scary.
It is scary.
That's scary. I know I've seen some of those shows where the children are playing along the landfills, and that
Absolutely.
can be a bit scary.
Yeah, we want to make sure that we're not contributing to that.
Yes, definitely not. So tell me a little bit about the process. So small businesses or businesses of any size, because I think you cater to all sorts of...
There's no one too small and there's no one too large. I mean, we've got clients that order one cartridge a year to some of the larger law firms downtown, or even companies like Tech Cominco.
Wow. So what's the process that you go through in order to create this renewable cartridge?
Basically what we do is we pick up our clients' old cartridges, our used cartridges, we take them apart, we inspect all the pieces, we clean them all up, and we make a judgment call of whether it can be reused or not.
Okay.
If it's able to be reused, we use it in a new cartridge. So the cartridge you get from us is basically rebuilt from a combination of refurbished and new parts.
Okay.
Any parts that we can't reuse, and there's always some, we make sure are taken apart, separated, and properly recycled. And
this isn't something that all refurbished ink cartridge toner cartridge or laser cartridge companies are doing, is it?
No, not necessarily. There's a big disparity in our industry, running from people who simply just put a hole in the cartridge, put a new toner, and put in a plug, to us who give you basically a brand new cartridge that's been rebuilt from a combination of refurbished and new parts. So
on the end user, so the business side of it, if someone wanted to get into ordering these cartridges or doing more about it, what's the process for that?
The easiest thing is just give us a call. We'll come down, we'll see what they're using now, and we'll take away their empties, and then we'll start replacing them with our renewable cartridges. And I understand that you're doing some other things right now that are also green friendly, like you have... Absolutely. We've worked very hard in our office to make sure that we're moving things forward. Okay, we've got a very strong in-house recycling program. We compost our organic waste. The bulk of our deliveries are done in hybrid vehicles. That's exciting. It is kind of exciting. We just took delivery of 2 more today, so we're really excited about it. So tell me some of the misconceptions that are out there in terms of toner cartridges, because you've got your toner refills, you've got your renewable cartridges, and then you've got the ones that you can buy direct from the companies or the printer manufacturers. So is one of them better than the other, or how would you... I wouldn't say one is better. They're just different choices. Some of the misconceptions about remanufactured or renewable cartridges are that, 1, they'll damage your machine, and 2, that the print quality is not there. Okay? And the third one is that they'll somehow invalidate your warranty. I can tell you that, you know what, the quality is there. We've been doing this for 16 years. We know what we're doing, and we produce a very good product. 97% of our cartridges perform without a problem, and we are ISO certified for product quality. Okay. And that's when people actually come into the facility. Yeah. They walk through your whole renewal process and verify that you are doing what you're saying. We're doing what we say we're doing, and that if we follow these standards, it should result in a quality product. Right. And that we're measuring the type of product that we do produce. So let's take a look at one of these cartridges and show people what it's all about. One of the nice things about the way we've structured things is that everything about our product is designed to try and be reusable. So our box is open and closed so that we can, send the same box back to the client. We do use a resealable bag to send them back into. I'll just hand that to you. You can see that the cartridge that comes out, is just like you'd buy from the store, okay? Except in the store, you'd have a box, you'd have to throw it away, you'd have a bag, you'd have to end up in the garbage. Right. And then once this ends up, most people end up throwing it in their garbage as well. Oh, and these are all parts and pieces that we can reuse. That's great. It is great. So you guys are not just
sitting there and recycling the plastic. You're taking it from start to finish, the entire process, even to the delivery in your hybrid cars.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Okay, well, thank you so much for showing us this information today. Where can people find out more information on the products?
Best place to go is to our website, which is www.digitechlaser.com.
There you have it. That's Dave from Digitech. If you're looking for a green alternative for your laser cartridges, you'll definitely want to check it out. I'm just going to head over to the manufacturing table right now and see if I can get my hands dirty in the toner.
Gotta get connected.